Come test drive the 2019 Avalon Hybrid. The Toyota Avalon Hybrid has a dynamic exterior look coupled with a premium interior. Of course, the Avalon Hybrid also provides you with the efficiency that you're hoping for when purchasing a hybrid vehicle. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, battery saver, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, heated steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.